Hey there, financial freedom fighters. Imagine a life where you're not working for money, but money is working for you. A life where you're not just dreaming about financial freedom, but living it. Sounds like a fantasy, right? Well, buckle up, because today we're turning that fantasy into reality. Investing in stocks. All right, let's dive deeper into the exciting world of stocks. But hold up, we're not here to chase after the latest meme stock or play the risky game of market timing. No. We're going for the big leagues, companies with solid fundamentals and consistent growth. Why? Because we're in it for the long haul, baby. Picture this. You become a shareholder, and that means you're part owner of a company. When that company rakes in the dough, guess who gets a piece of the pie? You do. Through dividends, my friend. It's like having a magical golden goose that lays eggs while you're catching some Z's. Talk about passive income on steroids. But hey, not all geese are created equal. We need to be smart and diversify our investments. Think of it as your financial safety net. Spread your money across different industries to minimize the risk of putting all your eggs in one basket. And here's a juicy pro tip for you. Dollar cost averaging. It's like putting your investments on autopilot, my friend. You set a fixed amount to invest regularly, regardless of the stock price. This way, you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high. It's a simple yet powerful strategy that even beginners can rock. So buckle up, my fellow financial freedom fighters. Stocks are your ticket to the big leagues of wealth accumulation. Just remember to focus on companies with solid fundamentals, diversify like a pro, and let dollar cost averaging do its magic. Get ready to ride the wave of passive income like a boss. Investing in real estate. All right, let's switch gears and talk about the exciting world of real estate. We've got a smorgasbord of options here, my friend. Rental properties, REITs, real estate investment trusts, crowdfunding platforms. It's like a bag of jelly beans with endless flavors to choose from. And guess what? Real estate doesn't just bring an active income, it also builds equity. It's like having your cake and devouring it too. But hold your horses, my eager investor. Before you jump headfirst into the real estate game, you gotta do your homework. We're talking serious research here. Calculate that cash flow, understand those cap rates, and get cozy with financing options. Mortgages, private loans, hard money lenders. It's not just about buying a property, it's about being a savvy financial ninja. Real estate can be a gold mine, but only if you know where to dig, my friend. So get ready to unleash your inner real estate mogul. But remember, it's not just about buying any property willy-nilly. It's about crunching those numbers, understanding the market, and making smart financing decisions. Get ready to conquer the world of real estate like a boss. Combining stocks and real estate. Hold on tight, because when you combine the powerhouses of stocks and real estate, you're in for a wild ride. Buckle up, my friend, because we're about to create a diversified portfolio that'll make your financial dreams come true. Imagine this. You've got stocks, which give you a piece of the action in various companies across different industries. And then you've got real estate, which offers you a slice of the property pie. Put them together, and you've got a financial buffet that serves up a little bit of everything. It's like having a smorgasbord of investments that work together to minimize risk and maximize those sweet returns. But wait, there's more. We're about to sprinkle some leverage into the mix. Leverage is like borrowing money to invest, and it's a game changer. It's like using someone else's ladder to climb to the top. With leverage, you can supercharge your investments and potentially amplify your gains. But hold up, my friend. Because leverage is a double-edged sword. It can magnify your losses too if you're not careful. So tread lightly and use leverage wisely. Remember, debt can be a powerful tool, but it's all about using it with caution and smarts. So get ready to combine the forces of stocks and real estate, diversify like a pro, and use leverage to your advantage. It's time to take your investments to the next level and make those financial dreams a reality. Key takeaways. All right, my fellow financial freedom warriors, let's recap the key takeaways from our epic adventure into the realms of stocks and real estate. Get ready to level up your financial game. First off, we've got the wisdom of the legendary Robert Kiyosaki, the guru of financial independence. He's all about that winning combo of stocks and real estate. So take a page from his book and diversify your investments. Spread your money across different asset classes to minimize risk and maximize your chances of success. But hold up, it's not just about throwing your money around willy-nilly. You gotta assess your risk tolerance, my friend. Understand how much risk you're comfortable with and tailor your investments accordingly. And don't forget to set realistic goals. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your financial empire. So be patient, stay focused, and keep those goals within reach. Now, here's the real secret sauce: making your money work for you. It's not just about making money, it's about transforming that active income into passive income. It's about building a financial fortress that generates cash flow while you sip margaritas on the beach. So let's shift our mindset from working for money to making money work for us. It's time to unlock the power of passive income and achieve true financial independence. But hey, we're not in this alone. We're a community of dreamers, doers, and financial warriors. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into the investment pool, whether you're a financial guru or seeking guidance, we're all on this journey together. So let's support each other, share our knowledge, and cheer each other on as we conquer the world of finance. And remember, my friends, financial freedom isn't just a destination. It's a thrilling, exhilarating journey. So let's make every step count. Let's invest smart, grow our wealth, and wave goodbye to the 9-to-5 grind. It's time to embrace a life where work becomes optional. Let's make our dreams a reality and never work again. Stay tuned for more epic adventures in the world of finance. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your fellow financial warriors. Together, we'll conquer the world of wealth and achieve the ultimate goal of financial freedom. Until next time, stay bold, stay hungry, and let's make our money work for us.